Oh my God, nothing's working. Have you ever broke one of these before? A window handle? No, neither have I. Until now. So last night, in the extreme heat, I wanted to open the window, get some fresh air in, and this decided to get stuck. I put a little bit too much force into it and snapped it off. So let's find out why it broke. You can see this bit here is where the handle broke off from. It's this. See, this is that bit there, and that's the bit that was kind of not retreating. And then I lifted it and the thing snapped off because this wasn't going back. I don't even know what that doohickey is, but pretty sure there's no getting this back together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace it. First thing to do is get this off. I've got a replaced one here from Screwfix, pretty cheap, only £5.89, something like that. And they're meant to be universal, so let's see if this works. There's a little tab, and I think we're gonna have to remove that. Take the little tab out, because I think there'll be a screw underneath there. Yep. Let's undo that screw and then see what we find. We can compare it to the new one. Fairly short screw. I think behind this little tab, there's another screw. Can I move it above? Yes, I can. Really nervous about this because I've never done this before. I'm pretty sure 80% of people out there, or even 90% of people, have never had to change a window handle. You've got two screws, one there and one there. And then inside, it looks like a door spindle thing. Now that's the mechanism. And it's got the handle, turns that little spindle thing there. Do you see how it's getting stuck? So I'm going to now compare this to the new one before I attempt to fit it. That's a bit longer. But it seems a much better design than this one. But one thing's for sure, there's a length difference there. So I'm going to have to cut this one down. Oh my God, nothing's working. That was a lot harder work than I was expecting. So now we've cut this down. See if it fits. Let's try not to drop this out the window. Next problem, see those little nubs on the actual new handle? Well, it looks like those holes won't accept it because they're either slightly too wide apart or too small. So now I'm going to have to carve a bit out. Doesn't need too much, I think just a little bit to get it in there. I'm going to try and lock it. That's it, so I can push now. I think it needs a little bit more taking off. Hopefully the screws fit after all this. Right, much better. I think that's going in. Feels like it is. Yes. It's in. Now we do that, access the other screw hole. Finish it off with this little piece of trim. And the key that comes with it. Yep, that locks it. So actually, not too bad a job. 2 screws. You're gonna have to cut that to length unless you're really lucky and you purchase it the right size. But it's the same sort of thing as like a door handle. That's like the spindle section. You usually have to cut them to size. So first ever for me, but not too bad. So I suppose even if you've lost the lock for your window, you could do this trick. Just get a new handle altogether, right? Because you could drill that out, access the screws, put a new handle in, and jobs are good. And I should offer that as a service. I'll see you next time.